Back with Redwater Dodge, the home of Riggerty Rams, Riggerty approves and Riggerty used. Beside me here is our 2026 Ram 3500 Laramie diesel, guys. This one has a sports package and the night edition. So things all blacked out from factory. We have our parking sensors, our adaptive cruise and assisted brake control sensors up front. Projector style headlights that do wrap around with the nice daytime running lights. We got the 6.7 high output Cummins under the hood, the ZF transmission with the 8-speed. Of course, all our badging, our blind spot monitoring tow mirrors, which do slide out. These are integrated light beams, and there's a light pod down below too, which is all configured by the driver's side. Level 2 package, guys. So we got dual charging pad. We got trailer brake control built in, auxiliary switches, parking sensors. We have auto level rear suspension, which can be controlled through a button. This one has Alpine audio system with the subwoofer in the back, heated cooled seats, all weather floor mats front and rear, 60/40 bench rear seating. Nice leather seating with the Suede insert right here. High mount review camera to accommodate the fifth wheel prep package, which is huge, especially when you got a long box. You can't always see the gooseneck ball or the hitch. Easy open tailgate. It's kind of snowy, but you can see the plugins for your box. 115 volt plug-in. Funny story, when I brought that fridge home on the weekend, we plugged it in the whole way back. It was lit up, Red Bull. So we got the nice wheels. This one, again, is a 1-ton, so it does have the leaf springs, but it does have the airbag suspension with the auto level. Tow mirrors, as I mentioned, on the other side, which can be all controlled through here. So again, all power, memory, and all that stuff will do the mirrors too. They are heated. Full digital dash now, adaptive cruise and Bluetooth and all the fun stuff that we're known and used to. So for more information, guys, just give us a call, 780-942-3629.